Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make another Mexican dish. I'm going to be showing you how to make mixiotes de pollo, which is a steamed chicken with nopalitos in a red sauce. It's really easy and delicious. I really recommend it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you'll also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We will start by removing some of the stems from the dried chilies, and then we're going to tap each chili a little bit to remove some of the seeds. Now in a skillet on medium heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil, and we're going to add in the dry guajillo chilies together with a chunk of onion and 2 garlic cloves. We will toss the chilies for about 30 seconds on each side, and then once the chilies are a little bit toasted, now we're going to remove them from the heat and we will place them in a blender. And we'll continue to toast the onion and the garlic in the oil for about another minute or so until they become softer. And then once they are a little bit softer, we will also place them in the blender. And into the blender, we will also add in 1 cup of warm water. We will season this with the bay leaves, the thyme, and the rosemary. Season this with salt to taste. Then we're going to blend this on high speed until you get a soft sauce. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes. Once the sauce is ready, taste the flavor, add more salt if needed. And once you're happy with the flavor, set it aside to cool down. Over here I have the chicken pieces. Now we're going to make some cuts on each chicken drumstick. So just grab a knife and we're going to make some cuts on each drumstick. You want the cuts to be about 1 inch thick, and I'm only making about 2 or 3 cuts on each drumstick. Then place the chicken in a large container. And now we're going to season the chicken with black pepper and a pinch of salt. And once the chicken is well seasoned, now we're going to pour the red chili sauce all over the chicken pieces. Make sure the chicken pieces are well seasoned with the sauce. And then we're going to marinate the chicken in the red sauce for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to cut the nopales or the cactus into thin strips. First I cut them lengthwise in about 1/4 inch strips. And then I cut them in half, so the strips wouldn't be so long, but feel free to cut them any size that you want. And then after that, now we're going to cook the cactus in salted water on high heat, and we will cook them for about 30 minutes or until they are tender. You can cover them with a lid to speed the cooking process. And then after 30 minutes, this is how they look. As you can see, they already change in color. They have a more green opaque color. That means they are ready. They are now tender, so now we're going to drain them. And then after you drain the nopales, now we can finish preparing the chicken. We will cut 5 pieces of aluminum foil. Each piece of foil has to be big enough to cover each drumstick. Now we're going to place a drumstick right on the center of a piece of aluminum foil, and then we will also add in some of the cactus strips. Feel free to add as much as you want, and then we're going to top this with some of the red sauce. It's the same red sauce that we used to marinate the chicken, and I'm only adding about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the red sauce. And then we'll just cover this with the foil. As you can see, I'm just bringing the size of the aluminum foil towards the center, all 4 corners. And then I'm just folding them down to keep the chicken and the cactus well wrapped in the foil. And just keep on doing this until you're done. So remember, just grab a piece of chicken and then place it on the center of the aluminum foil. Add some of the cactus strips and then top it with some of the red sauce, and then just wrap it with the foil, and just keep on doing this until you're done. Once you have all the chicken ready, now we're going to place them in a steamer, and we're going to cook them for about 45 minutes or until the chicken is well cooked. And then after 45 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, the chicken is well cooked. Now it's ready. Now you can serve it. And this dish is so delicious and flavorful. I really recommend it. I'm just serving it with white rice and beans, and it's so delicious. I'm sure you're going to love it. Enjoy. To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!